Welcome to our channel. If you want to transfer your music library from WhatsApp to Telegram to access your files on a different platform, follow these simple instructions. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your smartphone and navigate to the chat where your music files are stored. Step 2. Tap on the music file you want to transfer to open it. Step 3. Tap the share icon, which is usually represented by an arrow or 3 dots depending on your device. Step 4. Select Save to Files or Save to Device to download the music file to your phone's storage. Step 5. Repeat this process for all music files you want to transfer from WhatsApp. Step 6. Open the Telegram app on your smartphone and go to the chat or group where you want to upload the music files. Step 7. Tap the attachment icon, which looks like a paperclip, to open the file selection menu. Step 8. Select File or Music and navigate to the location where you saved the music files. Step 9. Select all the music files you want to transfer and tap Send to upload them to Telegram. Step 10. Verify that all files have been successfully uploaded and are accessible in your Telegram chat. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.